Hi, Martin here with another video. Have you ever found yourself trying to move an image around in Word and it just won't quite go where you want it to go? Well, if you found yourself frustrated by this, I'm going to show you how you can change the settings so you can freely move an image around in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So here I have a Word document. I've got a little bit of text and I've got a couple of images on here. So again, you'll notice that whenever you want to move an image in Word, it's kind of very fiddly, and for some reason it's a lot harder than you would think it would be to just move an image around. We can get around this by just exploring the settings a little bit in Word. So let's go ahead, and I've got this image selected here. So with the image selected, I now have an option at the top called Picture Format. Okay, so make sure you do have an image selected. If you don't, that Picture Format option disappears. So just make sure you've got the image selected and then head to Picture Format. I should also mention that this will work in whatever version of Word that you are using. So now I've got Picture Format here. We can see over towards the right hand side we have some options. Firstly, we have Position. So this is essentially will kind of move your picture around, but it's specified positions, so it may work for you, it may move it to exactly where you want it to be, but it's still not allowing us to just move the image around freely. So the option that we want to go to is this option here called Wrap Text. So when we click on Wrap Text, we have a number of different options, such as square, tight, through, top, and bottom. So the option that we want to select is the first one here, which is square. So go ahead and click on square. And now when I click my image to move it around, you can see that I can now freely move around my image without it kind of defaulting and trying to magnetically go to different parts. So you can also do this by clicking on your image. So I'll do it with the image below. So if you right click and then go to Wrap Text and then click Square, it will then give you the same ability to freely move an image around. So I can resize to fit them on the right place. I can put this wherever I want it to go. So that was Picture Format, Wrap Text, Square, or right click, Wrap Text, Square. So that simple setting will allow you to freely move your image around in Word and hopefully save you frustration in trying to get the document with images how you want it to look. So there you have it. I hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give the video a like, comment below, and then subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.